These are the instructions for Workplace 6C Volume Bingo. Each pair of players needs 2 Volume Bingo game boards, 2 Volume Bingo record sheets, 1 spinner overlay, and game markers, about 20 in each of 2 different colors. So you're going to decide who's going to be player 1 and who's going to be player 2. Player 1 is going to spin twice and record the digits on your record sheet. So I've gone ahead and done that. I spun twice. I got a 3 the first time and a 2 the second time. So I came over to my record sheet here under numbers I spun and wrote the 3 and the 2. Now I have to come back, keeping in mind that I have a 3 and 2, and I have to decide on another factor to multiply because these are volumes. So this would be like we're multiplying length times width times height to get a volume. And in my case, I have a 3, a 2, and now I have to decide on the other factor to get one of the numbers on my board. I am trying to get 5 in a row, either up and down, across, or diagonally to win the game. So for instance, I might think, well, I see a 60 here. I already have 3 and a 2, which makes 6. If I multiplied that by 10, I could get 60. So we'd come back here to my record sheet. I have that covered up for now, but I'm going to show you now. If I chose the 10, I would record that here. I would record my volume here, and then the equation that I used to get that volume over here. And then I get to mark the 60. And now it's your opponent's turn, and play goes back and forth until somebody gets 5 in a row. Some of the variations that you might use are that you could play a pair against a pair. You could do a shorter game where you only cover 3 or 4 spaces in a row, or you could use this challenge board over here. So you'll notice that it has larger volume amounts over here. So that could be an option for you. One other quick rule, if you cannot think of a third factor to find one of the choices on your board, then you have to skip your turn. And that is how you play Volume Bingo.